How are you all kids? I hope you are all well. Welcome to Story Point. Today, this video is for the small kids who will learn the English alphabets for the first time. Are you ready to get into the school life? Yeah, of course. This video will help you to learn English alphabets. So, let's start our today's lesson, children. Children, the English alphabet consists of 26 letters. Each letter has an uppercase, that is capital letter, and a lowercase, that is small letter. Today, I will teach these 26 letters of English alphabet to you. In this video, we will learn 2 words for each alphabet. Learn the spellings, children, of course. Our first English alphabet, A. Now, children, A for apple. Yes, it's yummy. A double P L E. Spell it apple. A for ant. A N T. Children, our next alphabet is B. B for ball. You play now? B A double L. Ball. B for boy. B O Y. Next, C. C for cat. Meow. C A T. Cat. Spell it properly, children. C for cake. Happy birthday. C A K E. It's cake. Next, D. D for dog. D O G. Again, D for doll. You play with your doll? D O double L. Children, are you enjoying? Yes. Next alphabet, E. E for eye. E Y E. E for elephant. You see elephant? Have you visited the zoo? E L E P H A N T. It's elephant. Children, next alphabet is F. F for fan. F A N. F for frog. F R O G. Are you listening? Yes. G. G for goat. G O A T. And then G for girl. G I R L. Girl. H for, next alphabet is H. H for hat. H A T. Hat. Spell it properly, children, okay? Yes. H for hen. H E N. Children, learn the spellings properly and pronounce it properly also. Next alphabet is I. I. I for ink. I-N-K. I for ice. Oh, it's so cool. I-C-E. Next alphabet is J. J for jug. J-U-G. Jug. J for jelly. You like it, na? J-E-L-L-Y. Jelly. K. Next alphabet is K. K for key. K-E-Y. Key. Next is K for kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Next alphabet is L. L for lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. L for lamb. L-A-M-B. Lamb. Are you enjoying? Learn it properly, children. Next alphabet is M. M for, yes, what is this? M for mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. And M for, you drink it daily. M for milk. M-I-L-K. Milk. Next alphabet N. N for net. N-E-T. Net. N for nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. Children, our next English alphabet is O. O for, you learn that? O for owl. O-W-L. O for owl. And O for onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. Next, P. P for pig. P-I-G. And P for pan. You know fry pan? P-A-N. Are you enjoying? Yes, I know, of course. Then Q. Q for queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. And Q for quill. Q-U-I-L-L. Quill. Next, R. R for rat. R-A-T. Rat. R for our favorite flower. R for rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. Next alphabet is S. S for sun. S-U-N. S for sunflower. You know sunflower? Yes. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. Sunflower. Yes. T. Next alphabet is T. And T for Children, guess it. T for tiger. T I G E R, tiger. And T for table. T A B L E, table. U for umbrella. Next alphabet is a U. U for umbrella. U M B R E double L A, umbrella. U for urn. U R N, urn. Very good, children. Follow the spellings properly. Next alphabet is V. V for van. V A N, van. And V for vase. V A S E, vase. Next alphabet is W. W for whale. W H A L E, whale. And W for wheel. W H E E L, wheel. Yes. Next alphabet is X. X for Xmas. X for Xmas. X M A S, Xmas. And X for Xerox. X E R O X, Xerox. Yes. Next is Y. Y for yuck. Y A K, yuck. And Y for yoga. Y O G A, yoga. Next, the last alphabet, 26th alphabet is Z. Z for, guess. Z for zoo. Z double O, zoo. And Z for zebra. Z E B R A, zebra. Very good, children. So, that's all for today. My beautiful kids, learn these spellings along with the alphabets properly. Then, in my next video, I will teach you some more spellings. You have to know more, na? So, I'll teach you some more spellings with these English alphabets. Till then, bye-bye.